Welcome back to the Tiger Center here at Lewis and Clark High School. Today, Algebra 1 Plus. Here in the math lab, we try to break math and algebra into small parts to help student understanding. This will be Unit 7A, the radical function, Practice 001, the video tutorial. Our objective today, I can identify radical functions. Now hopefully you have a 3x5 card or some sort of card stock to write this down on so that you can refer back as a tool for the next few assignments. So the first thing we want to do today, I'm going to write down plus or minus a plus or minus the radical, big square root, plus or minus x plus or minus b. Circle the a. If we have a positive a, that moves the curve up a units. If we have a negative a, that moves down a units. Part 2. The plus or minus outside the radical. We have a positive outside, that flips up and to the right, like so. If it's a negative outside the radical, that flips down, like so. The next thing we're going to look at is the entire inside of the radical. The question we have to ask here is, what makes this value 0? In other words, we're going to have the variable x plus or minus a number. What x value makes the inside 0? Or looks like this. That x value will be our starting point. That x value is the starting point. The last thing we want to look at is the plus or minus x. If it's a positive x, flips the curve to the right, like so. And if it's a negative x, flips the curve to the left. So, 4 different things to look at. The shift up and down, whether it opens up or opens down. Then on the inside, we have to find the starting point. And lastly, if it's a positive or negative x under the radical, we'll determine if it opens to the right or to the left. We're going to use this tool a lot the next couple weeks. So make sure you get it down on something that you can refer to easily. Now, take this and go to worksheet practice 001 and see how you do. And we'll see you tomorrow.